Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? And welcome back. My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of this week market updates that will be giving you a clue and also direction on the financial markets. Mostly we always covering the forex market and also the stock market. So what we're going to do is that today we're going to go through the economic calendar, and then we are going to have a look on some of the major important events that will be bringing the fuel and also volatility in the technicals that will be also helping you to position your trades and how you can actually get yourself prepared in advance. All right, we are today on the 18th of May 2020. All right, as for today, we see that we do not have much data coming out in the economic calendar, so we are not going to expect much today because probably new trends are going to come in play and they are going to develop new structure, and most likely when we move on to tomorrow there will be more trading room for you to trade and also more opportunities. For example, we have got Reserve Bank Australia meeting minutes which will be having an impact on the Aussie dollar, and then we have got unemployment rate and claimant count in UK. I believe that this is going to be another market moving data, and all of these are expected to be in the red zone. Right, because economically and all in all, UK is in under pressure. We have got COVID-19 going on. We have got Brexit issues going on. So there's so many things, unscapitalism that is actually going on in the UK, and this is more going to be on the downside. But however, whenever the news is being released, we wait and see the outcome, and then we analyze from there and forecast that what it could be in the next move. Then we have got Fed Chair Powell testimony once again. I believe it will be giving the clue on the economical situation, right? Even though the Fed, Powell did mention that even though the economy is right now at the moment is under deep pressure of COVID-19, but it is not going to be like a depression. Right, you see there's differences there. There's a deep recession and there's a deep depression. So all in all, once they are able to actually come up with precautionary measures on how you can actually overcome this, even though Donald Trump over the weekend he mentioned that maybe there's no vaccine needed for COVID-19, whereby automatically with a matter of time this virus will just go away because people will be able to immune it. The body itself will be able to actually get it healed because they are not focusing on other, like for example, dengue, for example, all sort of other diseases. So all the focus has been gone into COVID. But overall, you see that if you see the pattern, all in all, there is a lot of countries that are actually heading towards the recovery. So we're going to see more comments from Fed Chair Powell testimony. I believe that this will be another market moving data this week. And then we have got retail sales from UK and also consumer price index, which is related to the previous numbers of also unemployment. I believe that according to all the economical indicators and also according to Bloomberg intelligence, we see that this is all going to be in the red zone. This is why traders have already taken position last week in the pound because it is going down. Then we have got a Bank of Canada Consumer Price Index, which will be having and dominating the Canadian dollar. And all in all, as you see that better the news, higher the currency value, weaker the news, lower the currency value. So keep an eye. 8:30 p.m. on Wednesday, 20th of May, we are going to see this news coming out in the economic calendar. Then Thursday is loaded again with initial jobless claims which are expected to rise again, and also Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey. All in all, you see this also is going to be in the negative territory because you see previously what is actually all in all Philadelphia Reserve Bank Business Index represents all in all the overall manufacturer surveys as the attitude towards the current national economic situation. These numbers are very important to actually read. Somehow it may not drive the volatility at times, but they are very important for you to read. This helps you to determine the overall next central bank measures to be taken in terms of the adjusting the interest and all, right? So that will be on Thursday. Then we have got again on Friday Fed Chair Powell speaks. So this will be market moving data that will be actually driving the pairs. And we have got retail sales coming from Canada, which will be also picking up the volatility. Now, looking at the current price action and the structure, let's just get started first from the pound. All right, as you see that the pound, it's nicely forming a downtrend, right? It has broken this previous pattern, even though we actually anticipated that it's supposed to rise, but it did not. However, it broke this pattern. Now it has opened a very potential room to the downside. I believe, and we see that in the next coming 1 week, pound will be falling weak. However, there could be a potential retracement coming up in the near future, which we can actually check with the supply and demand. And because of this supply and demand, you're actually able to determine. So I see, yeah, you see, like you see here, any pullback up, if there is a possible pull up at the untested resistance, we're going to expect pound to actually fall. So all in all, I see that there could be a correction coming up, but overall it is going to go down. Looking ahead for GBP CAD, we anticipated at last week that it is ready to actually be a big beast. That means beast mean 200 to 300 pips drop. So you see, we had a nice broken level of 1.722. It has nicely broken that resistance, and from there, as for now, it has dropped about 136 pips. So we believe that it is going to keep falling down in the coming week. So GBP CAD also to the downside next week. USD CHF, even though we had we saw the retail sale numbers from United States were in the negative zone, so this is why dollar should be getting weaker. But you see the current pattern, it did drop, then again it is just playing around there, but I still feel that it is to the downside, just a matter of time until it will find its way back down. But we need to now, at the current structure, we need to wait and see the break below this level, and then it will be opening the door back to 0.9593. US technology stocks, as we spoke about it last week, you see we were at this structure, broken the descending triangle, comes back to the resistance, act as a support and pushed higher. So now we need to wait and see more comments from Powell. We need to wait and see how the response is going to be after they have reopened the economies, how the market is react to be. And also on the 26th of May, New York Stock Exchange is going to get back onto its operation, and we see that the activities are slowly resuming with all the precautionary measures. Airports are also putting all the precautionary measures to avoid, in a way, in terms of social distancing, in terms of all this measures that will be actually helping to boost back the market confidence in a way to find its way back towards bullish momentum. Dow Jones also is ranging, but you see it has a nice recovery. We expect this week for it to go up as well. Euro USD has found a support at the level of 1.078. Since dollar is expected to be weaker, we are expecting euro to go up. Well, however, we need to wait and see for any corrective structure, which you will be actually able to see for our daily forecast. Please don't forget to join our daily forecast, which is from Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. for London session, in which we will be giving you the setups where you can take your positions to buy or sell the currency pairs. That will be helping you a lot to become profitable. Alright, so that is just a quick review for you to bring you the weekly updates, but however, it does not end here. We have got a lot of more interesting setups that will be occurring from time to time, and then we will be coming live with you daily from Tuesday till Wednesday for 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. for our London live session. So if, let's say, some of you are having any difficulties to take positions on your desired currency pairs, we will be helping you and to help you become profitable and also more informed about the next market moves. All right, so for now I will be signing off, and I wish you all the best to start our new week, and we look forward to have a more profitable week that will be putting you ahead with the accounts with the growing percentages that you're looking forward to have. All right, take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.